as a part of the roof replacement project for the UNI-Dome, which is phase 1 of the renovation, we're putting some materials up around the perimeter. The fabric roof is being replaced, and so there's 8 units, or there's 8 sections of fabric that we're taking up and placing around the gutter section of the fabric roof, along with some other material that we'll be putting up. But we have a helicopter here to place it around. It's the most economical manner for us to get the materials up there. A crane that would be able to reach to the other side would just be very, very expensive. So working with the contractors, this was the most economical way to get material fixed up to the top of the dome. So I have in my hand a sample of the fabric that we're using. It's a Teflon coated fiberglass, and there's not only are they taking sections of this that have been pre-cut and fabricated for the specific section it's going to, but they're taking up hardware and some of the other tools and equipment and materials that will be needed for the completion of this part of the project. So the rest of the summer, the contractor will be working on placing this fabric over the existing fabric, so you won't actually see, we'll stay pretty watertight throughout the year. The completion of this project is scheduled to be before the first football game, but you'll see them placing the fabric, placing safety systems for access and to the top of the roof and then around the perimeter, and then also installing a lightning protection system for the facility. Yeah, so this is phase 1. Keeping the water out is really critical in maintaining a facility. The rest of the different phases include restrooms, elevator accessibility, redoing seating, just making other spectator amenities throughout the dome. And we're working with athletics on determining what those phases would be and what on the timing for those. Well, the dome is definitely an iconic structure for the Cedar Valley as well as for the state. So many kids come up here to play high school football for playoffs. We have different events, sports show, boat show, other special events. We have USA Wrestling in here, concerts. So there's a lot of different opportunities for people to come into here. This is the only venue in this part of the state that can host 16 to 20,000 people for an event. So it really becomes an iconic facility for Cedar Falls and the entire Cedar Valley.